My fridge magnets definitely need an upgrade. I'm tired of these bulky magnets. These are not strong enough to hold the papers on its place and take up a lot of space. I found exactly what I needed on Amazon, and these ant magnets are small, strong and stylish. These fridge magnets come in 36 pieces and come in this plastic box which keeps it secure when you are not using it. See how these magnets hold each paper on its place? These are really strong. It says it can hold up to 11 pages. Let's put it to a test. And wow, you can see the difference. Now my fridge looks cleaner. These tiny powerhouses hold photos, notes and reminders seamlessly.